Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I thought that I would upgrade the high beams on the Volvo. So the winter is now here, and with that comes darkness, and I do find the high beams to not light up the road very well. So I went and bought myself a light bar or LED bar to fit to the car, and I did buy it from V Parts. So I'll just go ahead and unbox it. So this is what came inside the box. We do have the actual LED bar itself, a holder for the number plate, some wires, some screws, and these are for the position lights if you want to keep them on, and these are if you want to tap into the light, which I will not be doing, neither the position light or tap into the wires. This is what we will be using instead. I will get to it later in the end of the video. And we do also have some brackets. And not everything you see here will be used today, as I do plan to fold the LED bar inside of the lower grille. And I will also not turn on the position lights on the LED bar. It will only be used for the high beams and nothing else. So let's proceed with the install and take the number plate off. Alright, so now the bar is mounted to the holder, and I do want to mount it like this on the car. So I'll put it like this and take the measurements to know where to cut. Alright, so I've taken the measurements on where to cut and where the LED bar will be placed. And if you do not want to cut in the lower grille, then you could just flip the holder and it will be placed like this. But I do want to mount it this way, so it's folded in the lower grille, and I do think it looks better in there. So we'll put the bracket on to stop the LED bar from moving. Alright then, so now we'll start with the wirings and connections, and these we will not need them, so we'll remove this connector and add this one instead. And now we want to pull this cable up, so insert it inside of the lower grill. And now with the long connector, we'll take this end of the connection, we'll shove it down directly behind the headlight, and we'll grab it from here and connect it together with the other end. These are the wires for the DRLs, which we will not be using, so we'll just tuck them away. And put the cover back on. And now we'll connect the positive and the negative. We'll start with the positive first. And we will connect the positive over here. So we'll open the box. And now we'll connect the positive to the positive. will connect the negative over here. Alright, so everything is now connected. Only thing we have left is the relay. So we'll get this one out and we'll install the XBB power unit. Goes in just like that. And this also comes with an XBB dongle. So this goes into the OBD port, which will then communicate wirelessly to the car to turn the LED bar on. This way we don't have to cut into the wires. And this connects to the OBD. Alright, so we'll just clean this mess up. And for the power unit, it does have to be straight like this, not like this or this. It has to be straight up. So I'll put some double-sided tape and I'll mount it like this over here. Alright, so we have mounted the LED bar. All the connectors are connected. The XBB relay and dongle both are connected. And everything inside of the engine bay is striped down. And the XBB relay has some double-sided tape to hold it upwards. So only thing that's left is to remove this protective film. And start using the LED bar. I've already configured it through the XBB app, so it's ready to use. Alright, and now this is how the LED bar performs in the dark. So this is without the LED bar. And this is with the LED bar. Alright, so here's another comparison with and without the LED bar. So this is without the LED bar. and this is with the LED bar. And I can already see that the light pattern is much more wider with the LED bar, and the light also goes much further. Alright guys, so that was that for this video. The high beams are much better now with the LED bar, and I did get this LED bar from V Parts. I will put the link in the description below if anyone is interested. And like I said, you don't have to cut in the car, you could just flip the holder upside down. But I do think that this looks much better folded inside of the grille. Also, these LED bars are not the strongest ones out there. There are much stronger. These are, I would say, low range, but they fit for my purposes perfectly. And if you have any questions about this video, then please put them in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks.